Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Want to earn money using ChatGPT? This step-by-step tutorial reveals practical ways to monetize your AI skills quickly and effectively. Learn how to offer services, create content, and build income streams with ChatGPT. Before we jump into the how-to, let's understand the landscape of opportunities. ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can assist with a wide range of tasks, creating numerous avenues for monetization. We are essentially leveraging its ability to generate high quality text quickly and efficiently. Think about areas where content creation, communication, and information processing are key. This opens doors to, first of all, freelancing, offering your ChatGPT skills to clients who need help with writing, editing, research, and more. We also have content creation, generating articles, blog posts, social media content, scripts, and even ebooks with the ChatGPT. We also have automation, using ChatGPT to automate repetitive writing tasks for businesses. We also have creating digital products, developing and selling AI-powered tools or resources, consulting and training as well, helping others learn how to effectively use ChatGPT for their own needs. The first crucial step is to identify your niche and the specific skills you'll offer using ChatGPT. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Focusing on a particular area will help you stand out and attract the right clients. Ask yourself, what are you already knowledgeable or passionate about? Combining your existing expertise with ChatGPT's capabilities can be powerful. For example, if you know a lot about travel in Kenya, you could offer travel writing services. What problems can ChatGPT help solve for others? Think about common writing related pain points for businesses and individuals. What kind of content are you interested in creating? Do you enjoy writing blog posts, social media updates, or perhaps even scripts for videos? Once you have a niche in mind, consider the specific services you can offer. Examples include blog post writing, social media caption creation, website content generation, email marketing copy, product descriptions, scripting, summarizing articles, and even basic translation. Now, it's time to showcase your skills. Even if you don't have paying clients yet, you can build a compelling portfolio using ChatGPT itself. Create samples of the kind of work you want to offer, write a sample blog post or articles in your chosen niche, generate social media content for different platforms, craft example website copy for various businesses, develop product descriptions for hypothetical products. Your portfolio is your proof of concept. It demonstrates to potential clients what you are capable of. Make sure your samples are well written, error-free, and tailored to the specific services you want to provide. With your niche and portfolio ready, it's time to find your clients and market your services. Here are some effective strategies. Freelancing platforms. Sign up for platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru. Create a professional profile highlighting your ChatGPT skills and your chosen niche. Showcase your portfolio and bid on relevant projects. Social media as well. Promote your services on platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter. Share examples of your work and engage with potential clients in your niche. Let people know you offer AI-powered writing services. If your focus is local in Nairobi, consider local businesses groups on Facebook or other platforms. Networking as well. Reach out to businesses and individuals in your network who might need your services. Let them know what you can do with ChatGPT. Cold outreach. Consider sending targeted emails to businesses in your niche, highlighting how your ChatGPT skills can benefit them. Create a website or landing page. If you are serious about building a freelance business, a simple website or landing page showcasing your services and portfolio can be very effective. Want to speed up the monetization process? Here are some quick tips. Focus on high demand skills. Research what writing and content creation needs are currently in demand. Offer competitive pricing as well. Initially, you might need to offer slightly lower rates to attract your first clients. Get testimonials and reviews. Positive feedback from early clients will build trust and attract more work. Be proactive and persistent as well. Don't get discouraged by initial setbacks. Keep applying for projects and marketing your services. Continuously learn and adapt. The AI landscape is constantly evolving. Stay updated on ChatGPT's new features and how you can leverage them for monetization. So, there you have it. The opportunities are vast, and by following these steps, you can start monetizing your AI skills quickly. Remember to identify your niche, build a strong portfolio, actively market your services, and also deliver high quality work. The power of AI, combined with your skills and dedication, can unlock exciting earning potential. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.